Breaking a fast is not about getting yourself a big meal right away. It's about being strategic with your food choices. Let's have a quick look at what to eat and avoid while breaking your fast. Also, we'll give an ultimate tip on how to make your fasting experience easy and enjoyable. Let's go! Firstly, why is it so important to break your fast correctly? Well, when you break your fast, your body is really sensitive, so you have to be really aware of what you put in it at that point. You need to be very careful and restart your digestive system gently. So the best option is to break your fast with specific foods, and then, after about 60 minutes, to have your proper, more versatile meal. Let's head to the main points on how to break your fast correctly by choosing the right foods and what mistakes to avoid at all costs. And again, it's not your main meal. That's just a light warm-up before it. What to eat to break your fast. Number 1. Have some apple cider vinegar. You should start with apple cider vinegar diluted in water before actually breaking the fast. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to a glass of water and drink it before starting your eating window. This mix will start to stimulate your digestive tract, preparing it for food. Apple cider vinegar will also increase satiety and reduce the risk of overeating later in the day. Number 2. Consider breaking the fast with bone broth. So you had some apple cider vinegar, which is optional. What's next? Well, bone broth might be one of the best foods to break a fast. It contains a lot of electrolytes, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and sodium. Bone broth helps absorb nutrients from other foods more efficiently later on. Alright, so apple cider vinegar and bone broth are good to go one after the other. The following foods are optional. Feel free to experiment with them and see which option works best for you. Number 1. Break your fast with lean protein only. It's not the one and only option for breaking your fast, but it's the most simple way to do it strategically. Break your fast with a piece of lean poultry or fish. You can also go with a protein shake mixed with water. Protein helps you lose weight by decreasing your energy intake, increasing satiety, and boosting metabolism. We know it may seem boring, especially when you're craving food after fasting hours. But you can't go wrong with sticking to lean protein only. Also, don't use lean red meat right when you break a fast. It's difficult to digest. Number 2. Break your fast with nuts and seeds. One trick some people use to avoid binge eating during the first meal and later on during the day is to break the fast with a handful of nuts or seeds. These include sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, almonds, cashews, and so on. It usually does the trick for taking the edge off hunger and helps to enjoy the full meal without overeating. Number 3. Break your fast with fermented foods. They are great for your gut bacteria. Eating fermented foods, such as sauerkraut or kefir, will help your digestive tract be repopulated with good bacteria and enzymes it was stripped off from the fast. Also, it'll make it easier for you to digest food, thanks to these probiotics. Number 4. Break your fast with avocado. Besides being an excellent fat source for weight loss, avocado is also among the best foods to break a fast. Avocado is ideal for preventing overeating after fasting. Especially after fasting for days, this can come incredibly handy. Avocado is rich in water-soluble fiber and fats and increases the absorption of nutrients from other foods after fasting. What you need to know is that there's an easier way to find out how to break your fast and manage fasting. You simply need to take the free Do Fasting quiz, and professional nutritionists will personalize everything for you based on your individual preference and lifestyle. Don't miss the best deal by clicking the link in the description. Okay, let's move forward. As we mentioned before, there are some no-nos while breaking the fast, so here's what you should avoid. Number 1. Don't mix fats and carbs in one meal. When you eat carbs, your body produces insulin. Insulin is like the key to your cells. It opens cells and allows glucose to enter. This means that when the door to your cell is open and glucose comes flowing in, fat enters too. Because of this, you significantly raise the chances of fat going into storage, resulting in weight gain. You can mix fats and carbs later on throughout the day, but not when you break your fast. Number 2. Avoid carbs on an empty stomach. Especially stay away from refined carbs. Since they are low in fiber and digested quickly, they can cause major swings in blood sugar levels. This can lead to overeating later on and may lead to weight gain. The only exceptions are fruits that are high in fructose and relatively low in glucose, such as pears, apples, mangoes, grapefruits, and strawberries. Number 3. Avoid lactose. Lactose is already difficult for a lot of people to digest, especially with aging. So don't break your fast with milk, yogurt, or ice cream. If you follow these do's and don'ts while breaking your fast, you'll get the most out of your fasting experience. Before you go, check the video where people share their success stories with the Do Fasting app